I know you've lost someone, and it hurts. You may have lost them suddenly, unexpectedly, or perhaps you began losing pieces of them until one day there was nothing left. You may have known them all your life, or you may have barely known them at all. Either way, it is irrelevant. You cannot control the depth of what another inflicts upon you, which is why I'm not here to tell you that tomorrow will be a new day, that the sun will go on shining, or there are plenty of fish in the sea. What I will tell you is this: it's okay to be hurting as much as you are. What you're feeling is not only completely valid but necessary, because it only makes you so much more human. And though I can't promise it will get better anytime soon, what I can tell you is that it will eventually. For now, all you can do is take your time. Take all the time that you need.